Let's begin with a simple question. What is econometrics? If the word sounds complicated, don't worry, because the idea is actually very simple. Econometrics is basically the bridge between economic theory and the real world data. So in this video, I will explain what econometrics really means in simple and plain English and what kind of problem we try to solve with the help of econometrics. So by the end, you will have a clear mental picture of what this subject is about. And most importantly, if you have to build trading models, analyze risk, or work in data driven finance, econometrics is the foundation for that. All right. So let's start with the simplest definition. So as I told in the previous slide, econometrics means using real world data to test economic ideas. Okay. That's it. This is the simple definition. So economics gives us theories. Okay. Economics economics gives us theories and ideas about how the real world should work. For example, education should increase your income. Education helps you increase income. Higher interest rates should reduce inflation. Higher interest rate should reduce inflation. Okay. And higher demand should increase prices. Okay. But when it comes to econometrics, right, this comes in and asks you, is this actually true? Whatever we said, whatever the economic theories said, is this actually true in the real world? If it is true, how strongly it is true? So first is it really true? Second, if it is true, if yes, how strongly? How strongly? And third, can we measure it with data? Can we measure it with data? Okay, so think of econometrics as economics with evidence. All right, so let me explain this difference in a very practical way. Okay, so economics is like a story or a framework. Okay, it tells you what should happen logically. What does it say? What should happen logically. But the real world doesn't always behave perfectly. Okay, so econometrics is basically the step. Okay, it is the step where we say, okay, we have a nice theory, now show me the data. Because in real life you don't just want to know what should happen. Okay, you also want to know what actually happens, and this is done by this econometrics help you understand what actually happens. Okay, and that is why econometrics exist. All right, so now let's use one example that almost everyone understands. The question is, does education increase salary? Most people will simply say, obviously yes, education increases salary. Okay, but econometrics asks you in a different way, in a more measurable way. For example, if someone studies one extra year, okay, how much how much does salary increase on average? On average, how much salary will increase if someone studies one extra year? Not, this is not with one person but across many people. So an econometrician will collect data here. Econometrician will collect data maybe for thousands of people or lakhs of people. Okay, their education data, like their education, their current salary, their work experience, okay, their location, etc, etc. Okay, all these data they will collect and then use these data points to estimate the relationship between education and wage. Relationship between education and wage. All these data will be used to estimate the relationship between education and wage. Okay, now how much matters more than yes or no? Okay, how much matters more than yes and no? Now this is very important point. Most people talk in opinions. Education helps. Many people will simply say, okay, education helps. Okay, but decision making needs numbers. If you want to make any kind of decision, you need some number, and on the basis of that number you are going to take the decision. So econometrics converts vague statements into something measurable. So instead of saying education helps increase salary, it becomes one extra year of education. Okay, one extra year of education here, one extra year of education increases wage by X percentage on average. Okay, by X percent, if you study one extra year, it is estimated that your salary will increase by X percentage on an average. Now this statement becomes more testable. This statement is testable, it is measurable, and it is useful. Now it can be useful for decision making. Decision making. Okay, and that is why econometrics is powerful. Now many beginners think econometrics is just about maths. It is just math, but actually it is not. Econometrics is not about writing equations all day. It's also not just about drawing charts and looking at patterns daily. And it's definitely not just correlation kind of thing. Okay, econometrics is really about building model. It is about building model, testing it using real world data, testing it using real world data. Okay, and making conclusions that are reliable. So you are making reliable conclusions. So it's a thinking process and not just calculations. This is a thinking process and not just calculations. So now what econometrics exactly does, let me give you a full picture of this. Okay, so as an if you are an econometrician, you first start with an idea. So first you have idea or a question, you can say, or you can say a problem statement. Okay, after this is the first step. After this you start collecting data. You start and collect data. Once data collection is done, you build model. You build models. Okay, once model building is done, you estimate the relationship between various field. Relationship. Okay, for example education and then wage, that can be one relation. So you build relationship, you estimate relationship between various field, and then finally you interpret the result. Finally you interpret the result. Okay, so it's like a pipeline. If you see, this is a pipeline. This is step one, then you go with step two, three, four, five. You follow all these step by step, okay, and then you come to the final interpretation of the result. Okay, this pipeline is the heart of every econometrics project, and this is why econometrics is useful everywhere. Okay, governments use it to evaluate policies, okay, economics and policies. Businesses use it to understand customer behavior, okay. Then researchers use it to test hypotheses. This is used by researcher, okay. And in finance and markets, obviously this is heavily used. Econometrics is heavily used. This helps you to analyze relationship, like factors affecting stock prices, like factors affecting stock prices, impact of interest rates on market, impact of interest rates on market, okay, volatility behavior, macro indicators and asset prices, macro indicators and asset prices. Okay, so this subject is not only for academic, okay, this is not only academic subject, it is highly practical in real world as well. So econometrics is the tool that connects economics and data. It helps us test economic ideas in the real world, and most importantly, it helps us measure relationships using numbers instead of opinions. All right, so that's all for this video. Thank you and happy learning.